Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon with clay using an easy method. First, select food-grade clay, ensuring it is clean and free from any impurities. You'll need enough to completely encase your salmon. Roll or press the clay into a flat, even sheet, approximately 1/2 inch thick. This forms the protective shell for your delicious fish. Next, prepare your salmon fillet. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a crispy skin, if desired. Season both sides generously with your favorite spices, such as sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of dried dill. For an extra burst of flavor, you might tuck a few thin lemon slices on top of the fish. Now, carefully place your seasoned salmon fillet onto the prepared clay sheet. Fold the clay over the fish, ensuring it is completely sealed, with no gaps. This creates a natural, airtight oven. Bake the clay-encased salmon in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until cooked through. Once baked, carefully remove the clay packet from the oven. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before gently cracking open the hardened clay shell. The salmon inside will be incredibly moist, tender, and infused with all its natural flavors. Carefully lift the cooked salmon from the clay, discard the shell, and serve your delicious meal immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.